Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the 123rd episode of Monday Coffee. Today we will talk about public links in Confluence Cloud, bundled releases track updates, 10 ways to customize with Forge, using async functions in Forge, end-to-end testing for Confluence Forge. Then we will have a look at the monthly Atlassian security disclosures and new feature updates, saved filters in Jira Work Management. Then Biro is going to tell us more about the weekly events, and I'm going to look at the article of the week, which is Unlocking Developer Productivity, and we will finish with Fecode's acquisition of Avocet. Hi everyone, we are your hosts, Nikki and Biro from Appfire. Appfire helps teams collaborate more effectively with the apps that make work flow. 123rd episode, can you believe that?
You every single episode you're kind of counting, you're mentioning.
Yeah, I started counting because I'm having fun with that.
Yeah.
It's like getting closer to 150, very, very soon.
Yes, very true.
Just a few more weeks.
All right, we have a lot of news today, so
Yeah,
let's chit-chat there. Let's go.
Let's start. So I'm going to tell you more about the updates in the Atlassian product, and we are starting with Confluence Cloud that is updating its public link feature in September. Admins can now decide which spaces can use public links, and view restrictions won't block public link access. This means public links will always work, but you need to make sure that unwanted pages aren't public, so make sure you review them. Sharing content will also have confirmation messages for better understanding, and admins can set defaults for new spaces regarding public links. More improvements are coming soon in October, and all paid users will be able to use these new enhanced features. And next, starting from September, Atlassian's Enterprise Cloud team will speed up the release timeframe for the bundled release track, reducing it from 3 days to just 1 day. This means organizations will get new features more quickly and predictably. Release tracks let Cloud Premium and Cloud Enterprise users control the rollout of updates for Jira Software and Jira Service Management and Confluence. So if you're using this feature, definitely check it out. That's it for the feature updates. I have one more later on, but I think we can move to Forge.
Yeah, so last week I was talking to y'all about how on the Atlassian engineering blog or developer blog, they started pumping a lot of articles, and we shared half of the ones that were there, and I want to share this week the other half. But as I was going and preparing for for this week's roundup, I realized they published 3 more.
You just need to do, you can't round up every single article.
They published 3 more in a single week.
Something's happening with Forge then. This is a sign.
Yeah, so I think Atlassian blog writers need a pay raise, because they've been pumping a lot of articles, and for good reason. They're really good articles. So let's go and check out the ones from the week prior to last week. So on July 26, 2023, Dougald Morrow discussed the flexibility of the Forge extensibility framework in tailoring Atlassian tools such as Jira, Confluence, and Compass. The framework allows for customization beyond the pre-existing automation and configuration. I'm not going to go into the examples for Forge that are mentioned in this article. Y'all will have to check them out by reading the article, but it gives you a good sense of what you can do with the platform today. And then the next one, in this recent post by Mel Paisley, titled A Brief Introduction to Using Async Functions in Forge, developers are guided through the complexities of asynchronous functions in the Forge app. The article addresses common errors faced when making API calls and introduces the concept of promises in Java. It emphasizes the significance of async functions and how the await expression can make promise-based functions cleaner. The post also highlights the importance of Forge UI kit hooks, specifically the use state hook in managing asynchronous data. Really good article, and I'm looking forward for more insights on Forge UI kit hooks in the future blogs. And we'll finish it up with end-to-end testing for Confluence Forge. In a recent post, Katerina Curti detailed end-to-end testing for Confluence Forge apps using Mocha and WebDriver IO. The article covers testing 2 Confluence apps, offering code examples and video demonstrations instead of, let's say, strict recommendations. The post serves as a starting point based on expert knowledge and community feedback. Curti also touches on WebDriver IO's configuration testing scenarios for 2 types of apps and the importance of specific selectors in the testing process. Developers are encouraged to engage in the Atlassian developer community for further discussion. So really good 3 articles about Forge and examples, and I think this is yet again statement of how Atlassian is double down on Forge and enabling you, if you're a developer and watching this, enabling you with all the best tutorials and examples to get you started.
I especially appreciate the end-to-end testing one. Very interesting. Well, I have the Atlassian security updates, and quite interesting one this time. So Atlassian has introduced a monthly security bulletin to its vulnerability disclosure portal to enhance the security of its server and data center products. This platform offers transparency into vulnerabilities and recommended updates. The security bulletin is going to be posted on the 3rd Tuesday each month, and it includes information on vulnerabilities, upgrade recommendations, severity scores, and related details. So this is really interesting, like a newsletter for the Atlassian security updates. They were mentioning in the post as well that of course the important updates will be posted over the month, but this is kind of like a roundup for you to get the gist of what happened since the last period. You've seen that, so really interesting. I think
it's good, especially that there have been, in at least since we've been reporting on news, quite a few security vulnerabilities and fixes, and communicating all of that through the developer blog, and it's good to have yet another format to help keep everyone up to date with what's going on in terms of security, right?
I have a last feature update to talk about. So saved filters are coming into Jira Work Management. Soon you will be able to save your most commonly used filters in your boards, and all your teammates are going to be able to use them as well. So just a small feature again, but really good improvement to Jira Work Management for everyone who is using it. I think it's good news.
Are you using it for anything?
We are using it for the marketing project, but we are currently running with some product team. We are running on a software project. I really enjoy the list view in the Jira Work Management. I would like to see that in a Jira software. So there's like that Excel table. I think that's super useful. So I'm waiting for that to be ported to Jira software, if ever. But yes, please. Anyways, should we look at the events?
Yes, let's do. We have plenty going on events wise, starting with 2 awesome webinars from Atlassian themselves, both on 16th, this Wednesday. Jira Software Integrations for Teams dive into Jira Software's integrations to enhance team performance, focus on boosting efficiency, improving quality, and shortening feedback cycles. And then COVID-19, AI, and incident management. Join a talk with Nextiva discussing the current incident management landscape, discover their approach, industry challenges, and tips for team optimization. As for partner organized events, here's a couple of notable mentions. Perfecting customer management with Jira Service Management. Dive deep into optimizing ITSM using Jira Service Management. Understand customer perspectives, enhance portal design, utilize automation, and empower shift left with integrated tools. This is on Tuesday, the 15th, and then Gestión de PMO Bimodo con Jira. Discover how Jira software aids in managing a bimodal PMO, explore challenges faced by bimodal PMOs, and how Jira promotes harmony between traditional and agile project management. delve into the metrics for evaluating portfolio progress this Wednesday, the 16th. And last but not least, in the ACE events realm, we have ACE Southampton Social. Join a friend of the show, Dan, as he hosts the first in-person ACE. Get acquainted with the community, share wishes, enjoy drinks, and listen to engaging talks on various ecosystem topics. It's happening this Tuesday, so if you're in the south of UK, show up. DevSecOps Fundamentals Workshop with Sneak.io. Participate in a hands-on workshop organized by ACE Kolkata, focusing on the fundamentals of DevSecOps. Deepen your understanding and skills with Sneak.io. And that's it from me. Plenty more ACE events happening this week. But as always, navigate to Goosely to find out all the details. And again, best of luck to Dan for his first in-person ACE event organized this week. Looking forward to see a lot of pictures and looking forward for you to let us know how it went. And also he replied.
He replied in the comments.
We're definitely doing a barbecue in Southampton.
Just need to put our barbecue in a car and drive to Southampton. It's not that far away. Okay, well, let's have a look at the article of the week. This time is from the developer blog, written by Atlassian CTO Rajiv Rajan, who highlights that the joy in code elevates developer efficiency. But how do you unlock the engineering joy? That's a good question. By using an awesome tools and time-saving tools, empowering teams, and creating great engineering culture. And as a reward, you are going to see the results, which are deployments that are going to be faster, engineers are going to be more motivated, creative, and passionate. So if you are looking for a way to reignite joy in your dev teams, have a look at this article for the inspiration. I know that it sounds very, very generic, but the article describes it in more detail, so definitely have a look.
Yes, and we'll close off with a partner piece of news. It is from Fecode, who just acquired Avocet. So last week on August 8th, Fecode announced the strengthening of its Atlassian partnership in Finland with the acquisition of Avocet, specialists in Atlassian tools and cloud services. Fecode CEO Ilari Nurmi highlights the alignment of Avocet's expertise with Fecode's vision for software development future. Established in 2010, Avocet boasts substantial ties in the public sector and earned a revenue of 9.7 million euros in 2022. This move makes Fecode the largest Atlassian partner in Finland, with added capabilities to serve clients globally. Cole Mistry, Atlassian's head of global channel, sees this as a strategic milestone for Fecode, enhancing its comprehensive service offering. Great to see it, congrats, and we wish both of these teams a bright future together.
Congratulations. Well, that's about it for the Monday Coffee this week.
And there's no bloopers whatsoever. Don't expect any bloopers at the end of this video. Just when the prompt comes in with the end, just turn off the video. Go watch something else.
Yes. Well, thank you for motivating everyone. Thank you so much for watching Monday Coffee with Appfire. If you don't want to miss on the latest and greatest from the Atlassian ecosystem and the universe, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to our LinkedIn as well. And I hope to see you in the next one, which is going to be 124th episode of Monday Coffee.
Okay, yeah. Wow, such a big milestone. Right, so... And
I've done the clap.
Yeah, why?
To finish it.
It's gonna be a spike in the audio. You're gonna bust everyone's eardrums. If your eardrums are not busted, apart from subscribing to the YouTube channel, we also need your help. We want to reach as many people as possible with the news. And if you find these weekly shows important to you to keep yourself updated, and you think that others might be interested, do share this video with your network, with your team, with whoever, and let's get everyone updated.
Effectively with the apps stick to it.
You always screw up that part.
It's very hard sentence.
It's like you don't know your own company. It's the second time over this recording that you say pump it up.
Pump up the gym.
Gestion. Gestion. What is the Spanish?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't have my phone. It's there. Gestión de PMO bimodal con Jira. Discover how. Stop laughing. I need to do this. Get out of the room, please. What the heck? We got Ace Southampton. We got Ace Southampton. Southampton.